Okay, hi everybody. Let's work through part of problem 3-4A, which is a problem where we're asked to journalize the March transactions, including explanations. And that's what it says right here. Okay, so Four Oaks Miniature Golf and Driving Range was opened in March 1st by Tiger Woodley. These selected events and transactions occurred during March. To the left of my mouse, I'm reading March 1st. Stockholders invested $50,000 cash in the business in exchange for common stock of the corporation. Okay, now I've put the solution on the screen so you can see the March 1 transaction. I've hid the other ones for now. Okay, so what do we see? A debit or an increase to cash of $50,000 and a credit to common stock in the same amount with the explanation issued stock for cash. All right, to the left of my mouse it said purchased Arnie's golf land for $38,000 cash. The price consists of land $23,000, building $9,000, and equipment $6,000, and we're told to record this as a single entry. All right, I'll slide this down and we'll get the March 3rd transaction on the screen. Right about there looks right. So we see an increase to land, buildings, and equipment for $23,000, $9,000, and $6,000. All of those are increased with a debit because they are assets, and we decrease cash with a credit of $38,000. Okay, in terms of the accounting equation, all we're doing is showing some assets, increasing them, and decreasing another asset, cash. Okay, then on March 5th, it says, this is to the left of my mouse, advertise the opening of the driving range and miniature golf course, paying advertising expenses of $1,600 in cash. Alright, so I'm expecting to see $1,600 cash as a reduction with some explanation. And what we see is advertising expense is increased for $1,600. Of course, that goes on the income statement. So we have an increase of an expense of $1,600, a credit to cash in the same amount, and a description that it was paid for advertising. And that's just part of this problem, everyone.